Imagine if this channel were yours. This animated video teaching kids how to write the ABCs has earned million views in just 2 years. If we check this channel on Social Blade. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, JK Tech Forever. I'll show you how everyone can create animation video easily using ChatGPT, can Adobe Express and text-to-speech AI tools without any knowledge about animation needed. All you need is just to follow all easy step-by-step. You can find all tools, links in this video description. So let's get started. Part 1, we will create free video script. To create our video script, we will use ChatGPT AI. Simply type what kind of video script you want, the target, market, and other details. In this tutorial video, we will create a video animation for kids to learn animal names. Part 2, create free AI voice. Now let's convert our video script to audio using the free text-to-speech AI by Kreado AI. To use their free text-to-speech AI, you will need a Create AI account. Click the Log and Register button to start creating a new account. After you have a Create AI account login, and click the AI tool menu. Then select the AI text dubbing option. Copy and paste your intro video script into the text content field. Now select the character, tone, and click Confirm once you find the best one. If you download your intro audio file, let's continue creating audio for each scene to make your editing process easier. Part 3, create free talking avatar. Now let's create a talking avatar from our audio files. To do this, we will use the free talking avatar maker from Adobe. To use this tool, you will need an Adobe Express account sign in. If you already have an Adobe account, or click the sign up button to create a new Adobe Express account, you can use your email, Google, Facebook, or Apple account. After that, log into your account. Choose your avatar character and change your background. Adjust the video ratio by clicking the size menu. Next, click the Choose an audio file menu to upload your audio. Start by uploading your intro audio. After Adobe Express finishes processing your character animation, you can test the result. If you're not satisfied, click the Back to Editing button to make changes. If everything is okay, click the Download button to start downloading. So here is the final result.
Welcome, young learners, to an exciting journey where we'll discover and learn the names of our...
Part 4, we will use Adobe Firefly to create alphabets. In Adobe Firefly, you can create alphabets, characters in different styles, like this. Part 5, after sign up, in Adobe Firefly to create new characters in text effects. Click to generate button to create own characters. This one already given, but we should edit Firefly to Animal Zoo. Click to download button. After applying credentials, will be download your characters. Picture. Part 6, remove image background. Like is given in the description. Upload your picture and click to remove background and download your picture. Part 7, now we will add characters at our avatar animated video. We're uploading video in Canva with characters image. Adjust the alignment of characters and set the animation of characters. Click to download button. File type already been selected. Click to download. Thank you for watching my video.